For this type of wire puppet, I make the base of the armature out of one strand of wire. Then I add on stronger wires by lashing them on, and add some hot water moldable plastic for grab blocks on the body. I also incorporate a tie down into one of the grab blocks. Then to soften the connection between the PCL plastic, the hard part, and where the wire is going to bend, I use some hot melt glue that is for fabrics. And this particular hot melt glue is really special because it's really soft and stretchy, much more so than regular hot melt glue. And that I find is really key. Here you can see the two different color hot melt glues that I'm using. The white is the fabric hot melt glue and the black is a harder hot melt glue. And I use that as a grab point for those little toes. I always make sure to leave a little hole in each foot so it's easy to put a pin through the foot to pin it down to the set. Here I've made a little weighted pouch so that I have a counterbalance to the head and I have a little bit more weight in the body because these are such lightweight and small puppets. You need to kind of think about balancing them, so especially with the pin down feet type of puppet. Areas of the body that are going to need to squash and stretch, I usually do needle felted wool bat so that it can compress and stretch. If an area is not, like on a leg, is not going to stretch or compress but really needs to kind of be a grab point, then that's where I use things like the pipe cleaners here to actually build out a little bit thicker area before then layering on the felt fabric. Because I wanted this black cat character's fur to really have texture on camera, I chose to start out with a dark gray and then carefully paint in shadows to really bring out and match the darker colors and adding the shadows rather than painting in highlights.